Good day everyone, this is Patrick from EasyFX Code Trading System, and this is Saturday the 8th of August 2020, and this is the weekly analysis of the Euro, Cable and the Aussie dollar for the second week of August. And if we look across these three major pairs, there's basically consolidation for the last week, and especially a strong pullback on the Friday as better than expected US non-farm payroll report came out that pushed the US dollar higher. So this pulled all the major currencies lower, and this is the US dollar index on the 4-hour time frame, where on Friday it has started to rise and try to rebound after a double or triple bottom, and after retesting the low of the previous week. So it could try to recover back up to these three major Fibonacci retracements level over the next week. So which spells slightly short-term retracement for these major pairs. And let's take a look at the Euro first. And after starting off the week on a bullish note, it has hit the 162 Fib retracement or Fib extension level, the retest of the previous week's high, and then the Friday's pullback back to near the support level, and right near right near the 117.50 to 60 area. There could be further retracements for next week as it tries to reach the 117 level, and then perhaps even down to the monthly pivot at the 116.20 plus range. Right. Otherwise, it could try to consolidate a bit more, and with the 138 Fib extension as a short-term support level in this zone. All right. And this for this week, there's only a couple of news from the Eurozone with the German ZEW and the Eurozone flash GDP figure on Friday. Let's take a look at the cable. And also spiking through the previous week's high at the 162 Fib extension, just short of the 132.00 figure on Thursday before pulling back. And this was the short-term rally for Thursday after the BOE's rate and monetary policy decisions. They left everything unchanged, but had a slightly more hawkish tone. And then the Friday's pullback back to almost the 130.00 level and the weekly pivot for last week. So this could be more of a consolidation, and 130 could prove to be a strong support level. And for this week, two main news with the jobs report and the preliminary GDP figure. and also the UK is also exposed in their trade talks with the Eurozone, and which is set to resume mid-August. So at the moment, there's still no significant breakthrough, but it could attempt to hold its own as it has been behind and trying to catch up with the Euro's rally. Let's take a look at the Aussie dollar. And the Aussie dollar attempted to break out higher above the previous week's high, but could not push up higher than the 0.7240 area, and pull back on Friday back to the weekly pivot as well, and below the 0.7200 level. There could be more further retracement back down to the monthly pivot area and the retest of this swing high at the 100 pip level. So this could be a significant support zone here. With the resistance at the 0.72. We take a look at the weekly time frame. It is blocked by the weekly 200 EMA and closed as a spinning top, so there could be consolidation for next week. Could be the same as well for the pound sterling pair, and also hit the weekly 200 EMA and a spinning top, but a slightly bearish one, so need to watch out at the 130 support zone. And the weekly candle for the euro as well, also a long wick spinning top, and more consolidation for next week. So for the Aussie dollar, the only exposure is on Thursday with the Australian jobs report. Other than that, they're all exposed to the strength of the US dollar as it attempts to recover after a massive drop over the last 2 to 3 weeks. So it's just trying to retrace, and we'll see how far it can retrace to. Alright, so do check out my other videos on spot gold and dollar yen, and have a safe week and a good trading week as well, and cheers for now.